Sorry about the other video, it reached 10 minutes, so I have to do a part 2. So I was talking about what I rate my green glow in the dark. I'm actually going to rate it a solid 7. Yep, okay. I think that's, no. For all my emojis, I rate this one a 9. It's really good. And this hedgehog to be honest, probably an 8.5. This cat, 9. And this cat, 8.5. So yeah, where's my other emoji gone? Well, I need to rate that one. Oh, never mind. Oh, there it is. This yellow cat I rate probably a 10. It's really good. Okay, now I'm gonna do. Oh, I forgot to do my globals. Oh my god, where's my other one? Oh, there it is. So I think I forgot to do my globals. So I rate these a 10. I think I forgot to. Okay, now for my favourite fidget, definitely. Ten, definitely. Easy 10. Okay, now I'm going to do my snapper. I don't really like this. Probably a 5, 6. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to do my big dimple. I found out what it was called. It's called a big dimple. So I'm definitely rating this a 10. So good. Okay. Now I'm going to do my monkey noodles. Actually, I think I lost one. No. Yeah, I gave it to my friend. Okay, so you saw this one actually tied up. You can see that knot right there. Yeah. I rate this one 8. This one a 9. And this one an 8.5. They're basically all the same, but yeah. Now I'm gonna do my sand stress ball I made. It's really good, I love it. An 8.5, definitely. Okay, now all my pressure rings. Where are all of them? Just hang on a minute. Where are they? I swear I lost some. I probably have more, but I lost them. Oh, found one. Okay, now it's going to be 2 goldens. I rate these. I've never done 2 at the same time. It doesn't really work. But I rate all of these probably an 8.5. Definitely. Now I'm going to do my marble mesh. I actually put one of mine in the car. They're the exact same, but so I'm gonna rate this green one probably a 6, 7. They're pretty good actually. Now I broke my pressure ring, so I put them into like a little circle. It's like, yeah, it's like stretchy. You can like put it into an 8. And yeah, I rate that a it's pretty hard. A 7. It's really good. Okay, now I'm gonna do my second last one. Yep, definitely my second last one. Yep. Okay, my dinosaur. Little face. Little feet there. And now its tail and its feet. Like, it has really good texture here. So probably a 9. It's really good. Okay, now my last one of the day. And you guess, you got 5 seconds. 5 seconds over. It's a wacky track. Both of them together. I rate these a solid 9. They're really good. Okay. So in the last video, like 2 videos ago, I showed you my what was it? Oh, look. What is that? Can you see it? It's right there. Look at that. Okay, now I showed you my Happy Meal golden minion. So can you please like that? Yeah, I love that video. So peace. Please subscribe. I really need these subscribers. Bye.